Reese here at the North Central Shelter. Her ID number is A1373221. Reese is a female, year-and-a-half-old, gorgeous, brown and white, tiny little pocket pit. We love this girl. She's a total lowrider, as you can see. Here's a little side shot of her. She only weighs about, gosh, without all the puppy milk, about 35 pounds. She's a total lowrider. Like, let me get you a real side view. You can see she did have a litter of puppies. We don't know where they are. She came to the shelter on Valentine's Day, February 14th, which was about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, without her puppies. Super sweet girl. We love her. She seems great with the other dogs. But yeah, without all this puppy milk, she weighs only about 35 pounds. So total pocket pit, super sweet. She's scared in the kennel. She barks a little bit, but once she's out, she's a complete love. She walks well on a leash, loves to be pet. You can touch her all over. And so this is Reese at the North Central Shelter. Again, her ID number is A1373221. So cute. Hi, girl.